Hi guys, Aviation here. Today I'm going to show you how to use my photos website, ShutterWingPhotos. So the first thing you want to do is to open up a web browser and then enter our domain name, ShutterWingPhotos.cn. After which you can see the number of registered users we have, the number of photos, the number of online image reviewers, the number of pending review photos, and the number 1 airport that contains the most images, such as in this situation, it's Beijing Capital International Airport, which has 305 images. Next, you can press on maybe the gallery to see some of our photos, which is all approved by our very nice image reviewers. We have a set of rules that you can look at in Rules page. You can click on every page, any page, and then look at the rules, see what's good, see what's bad, see what's acceptable, and what's not acceptable. And now, if you're happy with the website, you can click on registration. You can upload your own photo, type in some of your basic information such as your username, your email, your password, your description, your age, your gender, and your camera. After which, you can just press the register button and a little box will pop up showing you need to enter your code, which then you can check in your real email and enter the code. After your registration, you can come into the login page and enter your credentials here. After your login, you'll be taken to the gallery page, which then you can also see the whole gallery. You can maybe view some of our rail photos, which are also very nice, also picking out by our wonderful image reviewers. And maybe you want to upload some images of your own, because come on, you're in an image website, why not upload some? Press on upload under your name. Now after you're on the upload page, you can either choose to upload plain photos or upload rail transit photos. So for plain photos, you can choose a file first, enter the registration. In this case, I'm going to be using November 78003 as the registration. You can click the search button, and if it exists in the database, you can see a plane popping up here, click on it, and it will autofill all the plane information for you. Then you can choose the image type, which in this case, it is a normal livery, or standard livery as you would call it. After that, fill in the description of your image, and then fill in the airport. If you don't know the exact ICAO code, you can always search for the region. Such as, I took my image in Beijing Capital, and then I can search for Beijing, and it will pop up immediately. Click on it, and click on this consent button to consent to us using your image in our social media, and then you can click upload. For rail, it's almost the same. Choose a file, choose a car type, and then choose the image type, and then click on the checkbox. Either you want or don't want us to use your image on our social media. Now you can look at the about page. You can check on all of our image reviewers, our team, which is mainly consisting of me and my friend, and all of our image reviewers, including plain image reviewers and rail transit image reviewers. You can also look at the leaderboard, which contains the leaderboard of the most photos uploaded. And congrats to Melody, which he has 178 photos already uploaded. And our top image reviewers, Eldine, which has 671 photos already approved. You can see all of our leaderboard all the way down to 15th. And for HOTS is we would rather call HOTS or best images that are picked out by the system based on the views and the hearts. So you can choose to view by most views, most hearts, and the most hot, basically utilizing the hearts and the views. Okay, so that's about it. You can upload your photos, and you can see all other photos in the image gallery. Maybe you want to go to a very old date, you can type in maybe 100, and that will be the slightly older photos, actually very older photos, and you can all see them. You can also maybe click on one photo, such as maybe I want to click on one photo on the first page. Here's the first page. Maybe I want to click on this photo. Or maybe I want to click on maybe this photo. you can see the photo here. You can click on either you want to hard it or not. You can click on the image ID. You can see the username, see the image reviewer, see the upload date, and see the camera information, the ISO, the f aperture, the shutter speed, the focal length, and the photo date. And now you can see the plane information in the middle. You can see the airport in which it has been uploaded, has been taken. You can see the registration, the type of the plane, and the operator. And that's about it. Thanks for watching.